sander. Here not have alarm. This box output buffer connected with VDR. It's here have alarm. So we will check this box. And this for Eco Sander we have problem with PC board. When we install new fuse, we always get burnout fuse, and after that, when I replace again fuse, install fuse and again burn. Okay, we disconnect all wires. Here only give supply power and install fuse, again burn. So technician will exchange this PC board, and we will check what will be happen. Is there have alarm? Red color. But Eco Sander monitor not have alarm. But in the VDR we have alarm. Fuse already replaced and have alarm. CD1. Let name CD1. So we receive new one already, this, but it's new, other type, and need connect like that. Its connection cable is here, but our it's here. We can install like that, need make drill, or like that. We will select now. I think we will connect like that. Switch selector, LED, like here, switch selector, and 3 LED is here, 2 green and 1 red, like here, 2 green, 1 red. So I already exchanged this, and I don't replace this and don't connect because it will be do this job by technician, because he will give for this warranty. If I touch this one, it means that warranty is lost. For me only, I make a drill here, drill hole, and fixes the switchboard, and finito. I just help for technician. Okay, it's already connected, and I will secure it. This wire connected ground, I will connect it there, and I will secure this wire also, and after I will close and finito. And all this remain on board like that.